Good morning dear students, back to the class. So are you all fine? And कल मैं काम दिया था, सब कुछ किया है. I hope you all have completed and you have to complete. I have told you ना first reading passage ये first one number 1 book में करना है. So you have to do it in the book. The next one B1. Second one, read the passage carefully, and this is about the one about what is that one? Plants, how we have to take care. So the plant is speaking here to the friends. My dear friends, हम आप लोगों को shelter देते हैं. Birds come and make on my branches their nests, their homes they make, and those who are tired after walking long time. इधर उधर जाने के बाद मेरे नीचे आकर के सब लोग रेस्ट लेते हैं. एनिमल्स भी आकर के बैठते हैं. मीन्स द प्लांट इज स्पीकिंग हियर. व्हाई आर यू कटिंग मी? क्यों हमको काटते हैं? मीन्स व्हाई आर यू कटिंग मी? व्हाई यू आर स्पॉइलिंग मी? एंड आई एम द पर्सन हु गिव्स यू द शेल्टर. आई एम द पर्सन हु गिव्स यू द फ्लावर्स, हु गिव्स यू द फ्रूट्स. With that fruit, so many fruits I am giving, like a mango, apple, guava, coconut. So many things I am giving you people. So many types of fruits. Whatever you are eating, we are only providing. But you people are cutting us. Why are you cutting us? And we give you different fragrance of flowers, different smells, different types of flowers we are giving you. The nature is beautiful with us, but you are removing. क्यों हम लोग को निकाल रहे? So like that it is the animal. Sorry, the trees are speaking, and the trees are telling their pain to us. So I understand. I stand for you. I stand for hope, joy, peace, and love. Come, be my friend. Celebrate. So what the here the trees are telling. The trees are telling you, we love you. That's why we are there for you. We grow and we give. After growing, we are giving shelter to you. So come with us. You be in our family. You make us to be happy. You come to our place where we are. There so many plants. There you come and you make celebration for us also. We also will be happy. What celebration? Vana Mahotsavam. What is the celebration name is? Vana Mahotsav. Vana Mahotsav. This is the celebration. We celebrate this one. So this Vana Mahotsav is the celebration about the plants. This is a 1 week celebration here. Means it falls on July. Month of July we celebrate this one. Month of July we celebrate first week. First week of July. First week of July we are celebrating this. So and then here 1 to 7 days like that, 1 week celebration it is. What we do in this celebration? What we have to do? So what we have to do? We have to plant more trees. What we have to do? और ज़्यादा plants. एक plant काट रहे तो उसके जगह पर 2 plant रखना है. So we have to plant it. So plantation we are doing on this celebration. On July 1st week we will be celebrating 1st to 7th day or what till between we will be celebrating this one. And here especially what do we do on this special day? We celebrate and we plant. We do the plantation on that particular day. More plants we will be planting there. So that's why we call this is the Vana Mahotsav we call. And in this Vana Mahotsav they celebrate. They have the families together. They come and they sit and they have the meals and all, and they enjoy the meals. And after that they do the plantation. They will take care of the plants. They plant 2-3 trees and they take care of that plants till it grows. So that you also have to by your side also आप लोग भी अच्छे से plantation करना है. You have to plant a new tree on your every birthday. So that you keep, and on your every birthday you plant one tree, one plant, rose plant or any other plant, big plants also. Anything one plant if you do, then take care of that one. So as you grow, the tree also will be growing with you. So this is about the passage. And next third one is what? About the Santa Claus. Just now, just before your holidays, we have seen in our school, we celebrated the Christmas. On Christmas day, who will be coming mainly? Santa Claus. So Santa Claus comes and gives the enjoyment, happiness. He dances with us, gives gifts, everything. So there is a story about this one. I will tell you. This is the how the Santa Claus started. Who? In which time? It started in the 14th century. 14th century this Santa Claus has started. And there was in 14th century there was one merchant. Merchant means the person who sells the things and who gives the things and all. But this merchant was merchant in a Zaire. So in Zaire he was there, and who had 3 daughters. He had 3 daughters, and this merchant is very sad because he has to get married. So and her daughter, but there is no money. So that's why he was very upset and very sad. And this all one person has seen. Who is that person? He is the bishop. Bishop means who? The now Christians are all will be in our school. Father is there. Father we call as a prayer. He prays, so we call him priest. Parish priest we call. What do we call? Parish priest. So priest will be taking care of the one particular village or 1, 2, 3 villages. He will be taking care of parish priest. But there are in suppose Gorakhpur district. Ours is the Gorakhpur district. In this Gorakhpur district there are so many places. In every places fathers will be there praying in the church. But for all this head who will be there more than this priest, fathers who will be the head? Bishop. So the bishop will be the head. So this bishop has once the bishop where the bishop is living, in that church only this merchant also is going. So when he has seen, he came to know that this merchant is very upset and very sad since he doesn't have, इसको पैसा नहीं है, इसलिए वो बहुत sad है. क्योंकि क्या के लिए पैसा चाहिए? He wants to marry her, means he wants to get married her daughter. That is the reason he needs money. So listening his problem, the bishop, what is his name? Bishop name Nicholas. The bishop Nicholas has night time. When everybody is sleeping, he took the one sack. He put some amount, some money, and he packed like a gift. And he threw near his merchant's house. He kept near his merchant's house. So seeing that bag full of money, the merchant was very happy and he thanked God, and he said that somebody has given, I got a gift like that. He felt this is a gift for you like that. The Bishop Nicholas has put in their house. So seeing that, he was very happy. On that time, on Usi Dinse, Saint Nicholas we call him, and in the Saint Nicholas name we will be calling Santa Claus. He has changed his dress, and he went and he put the gift there. So in that particular dress, from that time onwards, the Santa Claus, everybody believed that the Santa Claus come and give gift to us. Means in our trouble, anybody who helps us, that is, we think that the God only is helping through other people. This story also that only. So that time onwards, all the Christians think that on Christmas time, the Santa Claus will be coming with his loads of love and happiness and joy, and pours in our house. Means it drops in our house. So that's why every people, they enjoy, they spread their love through giving the happiness and joy to the other families. Sing and they praise the God, so that the God will be sending the Santa Claus to everybody's house with a lots of happiness. So this is about the Santa Claus story. So this both stories you have to learn, and one more story is there in next lesson that I will be teaching you in a next class. I hope these two stories you have understood well, and I will be giving you the question answers of lesson 3 or passage of lesson 3 that you have to write in your copy. Thank you.